In this video, we'll talk about the topic writing an equation of a line given the y-intercept and another point. So we're asked to write the equation that is given in this graph. We know the y-intercept is at 0, 2. So that point is there. So let's go ahead and write that out. And then we know we have another point at 4, negative 6. Now, what do we need for y equals mx plus b, or slope-intercept form of a line? We need the slope and the y-intercept. So we can just find the slope and we have everything that we need. If we're given a graph, we can simply count a rise over run. So I'm going to rise positive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So my rise equals a positive 8, and my run, or my change in x, remember it's just a change in y and a change in x, is I'm going to start going in the negative direction, so I'm going to have a negative 1, 2, 3, 4. So negative 8 over negative 4. I could also start at the y-intercept, and I'm going to rise 1. Oh wait, I'm going to fall, so I'm going to rise a negative 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I'm going to run a positive 1, 2, 3, 4. So we end up with the same thing, because a positive divided by a negative is a negative, and a negative divided by a positive is a negative. This is going to give us a negative 2 for our slope. Right? Change in y over change in x. So how do we put it into y equals mx plus b? Well, y equals slope is m, negative 2x plus b. In our y-intercept, do you remember where b is? It is the y value that is given. So 2 is our b value. So our equation of our line is y equals negative 2x plus 2.